Hey friends, Dylan here, Hamilton Sons Property Maintenance. We just got this bad boy in the mail. It's a Speeco Cat.1, so Category 1 quick hitch. For those of you who don't know what a quick hitch is, it attaches to your regular 3-point hitch. It's got hooks on the bottom that lock into place and a hook up top, making it very easy and simple to connect to 3-point hitch implements. Rather than getting off the tractor every time you need to hook something up, fiddling with one arm, getting the pin in, fiddling with the other, lifting it up and down, wiggling it, forwards, backwards, getting the bottoms hooked up, messing around with the top. It's all set up, it's in one place, you back up to it, you hook, and you go. It's locked into place and ready to go. So we just got this in the mail today. We're going to put it on the tractor and see what it looks like. All right, you want to pull that pin out, Brantley? I've got my helper Brantley here with me today because this is going to be a pain in the butt to try and do by yourself. Yeah. You can do it with one person, but it's much simpler with two. There's the other pin. Now let's hook up that side first. Right through, keep pushing. All the way. There you go. Let's go to this side. And we might have to push that arm in. Now we'll put the pins in. Then connect the top link. And it's as simple as that. The Speeco Category 1 quick hitch on a Kioti DS4510. I'll wait for this car to go by. So now when I want to hook up to an implement, it's as simple as lifting these two levers. Oh, pull it right back. There you go. Which releases these clips. You back up, clip on, lock it into place, and away you go. Much simpler than the old way of hooking up each individual arm and messing with it up and down, forwards and backwards, getting on and off and on and off and on and off the tractor.
And keep on wiggling it.
And keep on wiggling it. So there you go. It's simple. This looks like it's going to be very great. Big time saver, especially when you're working with just one person. And now it's time to get these set up. So this top hook is adjustable to different positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different positions up and down. We'll get that set up. We'll get it set up on our implements properly and show you how that works. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.